Hello 8th grade students, how are you? I hope you guys are still passionate to study about lens. Now we will continue our learning section on the topic of optical instrument, and especially through the video, we will learn about the eyes and the eyes defects. Do you still remember what we discussed earlier? Yes, we have learned the concept of light, refraction and the type of lens. All that we have learned when combined will be very useful to support our activities in daily lives. One of them is the application of lens in optical instrument. Now we will learn about what is the optical instrument and how does it work. Optical instrument. Optical instruments are the devices which process light wave to enhance an image for more clear view. Next, how do we see the object around us? Yes, with our eye. It is the most important organ of the human body which enables us to view all things around us. An eye is one of the most important optical instruments. Now let us study the part and the function of the human eyes. The part of the human eyes, number 1 is cornea. The function of cornea is to receive rays from the light surface. Part of the eyes number 2 is pupil. The function of pupil is to control the light intensity which enters the eye. Part of the eyes number 3 is iris. The function of iris is to adjust the width of pupil and also gives color to the eye. Part of the eyes number 4 is lens. The function of lens is to receive rays that enter from the pupil and pass them to the retina, focus the light so that it falls exact on the yellow spot. Part of the eyes number 5 is retina. The function of retina is to capture the rays from the eye lens. Now we are going to learn about eyes accommodation. The definition of eyes accommodation is the eye lens ability to get thicken or near object or flatten or far object to ensure the image clearness in retina. There are two types of range vision. Number 1 is punctum proximum, or we call it near point. Punctum proximum is the closest point which can be seen by the eyes by strongly accommodate. Punctum remotum of distance of point is the farthest point which can be seen by the eyes which do not accommodate. This is the illustration of the eye accommodation. When the object close to the eyes will thicken, and when the object far away from the eyes will flatten. Next, range of vision. Punctum proximum for the normal eyes is 25 cm, and the punctum remotum is infinite. The eye can see clearly if the location of the object in the range of vision between the near point of the eye, or punctum proximum, and the far point of the eye, or punctum remotum. So, in normal eyes, the near point is 25 cm and the far point is infinite. Now we are going to learn about types of the eyes. Types of the eyes number 1 is emmetropia, or normal sightedness. A person with normal has a perfect accommodation. It means that the eye can adjust the thickness of the lens well. The emmetropic eye has 25 cm punctum proximum, or near point, and very distant or infinite punctum remotum. Next types of the eye number 2 is myopia, or short-sightedness. A person that cannot see a distant object is called to be nearsightedness. This eye defect is called myopia. In myopia, the accommodation of the eye is imperfect. The ability of the eye lens to flatten is not good anymore. This is because the eye lens is often used to see a near object for a long period of time. This activity forces the eye lens to thicken as powerful as possible. The myopic eye has lens that infinite punctum remotum, or distance point PR is infinite. The eye defect can be helped by using concave lens glasses. This is the picture of myopia. Distance vision is blurred when light rays from distant objects come to focus in front of the retina. Correction with a minus lens allows light to once again focus on the retina. The retina receives the picture formed by these light rays. It sends the picture to the brain through the optic nerve, which is actually part of the brain. Myopia occurs when the eye is longer than normal or has a cornea that is too steep. As a result, light rays focus in front of the retina. Myopia is corrected using a concave lens which is placed in front of a myopic eye. moving the image back to the retina and making it clearer. The formula to calculate the power of lens in myopia: P equals to 1 over F, or the general formula is 1 over DO plus 1 over DI equals to 1 over F, with DI equals to minus PR, F is focal length, the unit is M, and P is power of lens, the unit is diopter. This is the example of problem in myopia. A person with nearsightedness or myopia has a punctum remotum of 100 cm. He wants to see the object that are very far away. What is the focal length and power of lens must be used by the person? This is the solution. DI equals to minus 100. DO is infinite. With the general formula of myopia, 1 over DO plus 1 over DI equals to 1 over F. So 1 over infinite plus 1 over minus 100 equals to 1 over F. So F is minus 100 cm or minus 1 meter. So to find the power of lens is P equals to 1 over F. P equals to 1 over minus 1. So the answer is minus 1 diopter. Types of the eyes number 3 is hypermetropia, commonly known as being farsighted in American English or being long-sighted in British English, is a defect of vision caused by imperfection in the eye, often when the eyeball is too short or the lens cannot become round enough, causing difficulty focusing on near objects, and in extreme cases causing a sufferer to be unable to focus on objects at any distance. The causes of hypermetropia are typically genetic and involve an eye that is too short or a cornea that is too flat, so that image focus at a point behind the retina. This eye defect can be helped using convex lens glasses. This is the picture of hypermetropia. Near vision is blurred when light rays from near object come to focus behind the retina. Correction with the positive lens allow light to once again focus on the retina. This is the illustration of farsightedness. Farsightedness where the distance between the eye lens and retina is too short, as a result of which the focal point lies behind the retina. Farsightedness is corrected using convex lens, which placed in front of a hypermetropic eye, moving image back to the retina and making clearer. The formula to calculate the power of lens in hypermetropia is the same with the formula to calculate the power of lens in myopia. The formula is P equals to 1 over F. The general formula is 1 over DO plus 1 over DI equals to 1 over F, with DI is minus near point of hypermetropia, F is focal length, the unit is M, and P is power of lens, the unit is diopter. This is the example of the problem in hypermetropia. A nearsighted person or hypermetropia with a near point 100 cm want to read at a normal distance that is 25 cm. What is the focal length and the power of lens that must be used by the person? This is the solution. DI is equals to minus 100 cm, DO is equals to 25 cm, with the general formula 1 over DO plus 1 over DI equals to 1 over F, so 1 over 25 plus 1 over 1 minus 100 equals to 1 over F. So the answer is F equals to 100 over 3 cm or 1 over 3 meter. So the power of lens is P equals to 1 over F, or P equals to 1 over 1 over 3, or the answer is 3 diopter. Type of the lens number 4 is presbyopia or old eye. Usually a person who more than 44 years old may suffer from presbyopia or old eyes. This eye defect is caused by the poor adjustment to the thickness of the eye lens. This eye defect can be helped by using double lens glasses, concave in the upper part and convex in the lower part. Type of the eyes number 5 is astigmatism. Asymmetric steepening of the cornea or natural lens causes light to be focused unevenly, which is the main optical problem in astigmatism. To individuals with uncorrected astigmatism, image may look blurry or shadowed. Astigmatism can accompany any form of refractive error and is very common. Astigmatism can be corrected with glasses, contact lens, corneal relaxations, laser vision correction, and in special implant lens. Please pause the video now and do the exercise number 1 until 4. I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and God bless you.